you get a picture of it?
I'm getting video. Are you cuddling with your brother? Are you cuddling with Riley? Go sit with Riley.
Hey, come on.
Put your blanket under your feet.
No. Now?
Aww, and then she wants the blanket over her? Are you cuddling with Riley? Don't make her, sweetie.
I'm not.
She's busy. Very busy. Please, please? What do you want? Please go outside? You have to get dressed. Can we get dressed in your clothes? Yep, let's get dressed.
Oh.
Where are you going? Hello? Come here.
Can you go get my clothes?
Yeah, I got them right here.
Grab my pants, please.
Hi.